Welcome to Techno Learning. If you are getting trouble in installing your app through Android Studio to your connected device by USB or virtual device, if you are getting problem in both of these, then this is the third option. So what's the third option to install the app? So first come up to this build, then click on generate signed bundle APK. After that you will able to generate the APK. Click on next, and here you have to create a key store path. For that you have to choose the path. First of all, let me choose it, and file name as given as anything like XYZ. Click on OK. After that you have to give a password. So here I give anything in the password box, but you should remember it because you are going to confirm it. Okay, so again, and here in the confirm box too. So what we are going to do is just to generate the APK and install it in the mobile phone. Okay, so here you have to enter the first name and the last name. So I will enter it as this, and then organizational unit. Like you can enter anything in these boxes, it's upon you. And the organization. After that, here you have to give the city or the locality that I will be giving here, and then state. After that the country code, then click on OK. And after clicking on OK, you have to click on remember password, then next. After that select release, and then select these two boxes B1 and B2 and click on finish. So here your APK is building, so it would take few minutes to build that. So I'm not gonna take that much time, as I have paused the video while making it. And here you can see that the APK is generated right now. Okay, so what I will do, I will just open the APK as clicking on this box and then click on the locate. So I will clicking on that locate option. After clicking on it, what I have to do is to wait for few seconds. It will open up a folder in which your APK is stored. So here it is open. Then I will just copy it. So I will right click here and click on copy, and then I will move to my mobile phone's memory and then phone, and I will paste it here. The APK I have pasted here. Okay, so after that I have to open my phone's screen and install it through APK method. So I will just open up the file manager, and then I will go to internal storage. After that I will just scroll it down, then I will clicking on this APK. Wait, it is saying that setting and install permission is needed, so I will allow this source and then come back, then install it. So it is installing, as you can see that. Now clicking on install anyway, and then wait for a few moments and open it. So here you can see that without doing any method like no virtual device and no USB connection, we have installed our app.